Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Julep. This is the July box. I've been a member of Julep for a very long time, but I have so much nail polish that I've been pausing every single month, probably for like 2 years. And I forgot to unpause it this month, or pause it this month rather. So I got sent a box, but they do email you before they ship it out, which I like. And they show you what you're getting. In case there's a color you don't like, you could swap it out for a different one, or you can actually sub it out for makeup or lotion and all sorts of stuff. So it's pretty awesome. And about at least 90% of the nail polish I wear is from Julep. I honestly think it lasts longer than OPI and other brands, so I do really enjoy it. So the card this month says, "Welcome to the jungle." There's a code for a free polish with any $10 purchase. And I do have a referral link I'll leave below in case you guys want to sign up for a box. So because I forgot, I actually don't even know what I got sent this month. Looks like we got some nail stickers. Those are pretty cool. Normally when I have these in my box, I sub them out for nail polish, but I might give these a try since I have them. See if they're hard to do. Gently peel away with tweezers, position to dry. On bare or polished nail, press with finger, apply a top coat. So that seems pretty easy. I'll have to give those a try. This color is really pretty. Let's see, this one is called Tazzy. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you. What's also cool about their nail polish is the cap actually comes off. You pull it straight out and then you could swatch the top of it. Because I have all of mine upright in a Rubbermaid container, and that way I can see what the colors look like. That's really pretty. Has some hollow in it. The camera probably isn't doing it justice, but I'm sure you will see this on my nails shortly. Got a lot of dark colors. Ooh, that one's pretty. And it's awesome because I have one similar to this, but I don't think I have any that I already have, which is awesome. Did not get any duplicates. This one is called Maynette. Let's go ahead and put a little bit on top. Oh, that's beautiful. It's one of my favorite colors is like the bluish greens and the turquoise teal. It's really pretty. Definitely wear that. In the summertime, I wear a lot of like hot pink or soft pink, but this one is Ebony. And when you sign up, you do take like a little profile. So these are considered It Girl shades. I'm just murdering this box here. Let's see. That one's really pretty. This one I might have. It's like a hollow black. And they really, I like their formulas too. They're actually not hard to get off. A lot of times when there's glitter in a nail polish, they're super hard to get off, but they're actually not. And I think it's more so because this technically isn't glitter. It's like a hollow base, so not bad to get off. That one's really pretty. Hopefully the camera's doing it justice. I don't know if it is, but very cool. So that is what I got this month. Also, when you do actually get the boxes sent to you, you earn points. So I might actually have enough for another free box. So I'll have to look, but I know I was pretty close. So that is what I got. I will leave their website below in case you want to check it out. Like I said, they have makeup and other products. And thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.